Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm sitting here with this baby. Up. She wants up. So today's workout is a back and biceps workout. And if you're not lifting back and biceps, it's a mistake. Oh boy, it's a mistake. It's just a big mistake. So the reason I say that is because when you have larger lats and you lift those muscles, I've heard a lot of fitness influencers make this statement, and that's because it's so true. It makes almost like a triangle shape and therefore makes your back larger, and then your waist looks snatched. Ooh, girl, it's so good. Hey, sit down. Child, she's trying to climb out of her car seat. So, I highly suggest this workout. It's really good. My back is super sore because I'm filming this intro and outro the next day. So yeah, I'm super sore, and it's hard for me to get sore nowadays, so highly recommend you try it. Okay? Before every workout, I do a 10 to 15 minute warm-up and foam rolling session just to make sure that my body is warmed up and ready to go. I always stretch my body, and especially on upper body days, I make sure my shoulders and my back muscles are really stretched out, because it's really easy to injure your shoulder if you don't do this. So this is vital. Make sure you're stretching. The next exercise is a superset that I have been absolutely loving. It'll definitely give you a good pinch in your lat muscles. This one is a single arm lat pull down, and the next exercise is a straight arm lat push down. And with these, I want you to really focus on getting a good stretch. You can see I really stretch out my back on this to really activate the muscle and really squeeze your lats. So next we have single arm dumbbell rows. This has to be one of my favorite back exercises of all time because I can just feel it work so well. As you'll see, I drop the weight almost completely to the floor and let my back get a really good stretch. You'll also notice that I place my standing foot pretty far away from the bench. I do this because I don't want to use any of my body to lift the dumbbell except for my back. So placing my foot farther away helps with that for me personally. Try it and see if it helps you. So this exercise is supersetted with dumbbell curls, and this variation of dumbbell curls, I really pinch my elbows into my waist and I turn my palms out so that I'm really focusing the weight only on my biceps. Next, we have a straight arm pushdown supersetted with a wide grip straight arm curl. These straight arm pushdowns are amazing to shred your back. I highly recommend them. And for the curls, make sure that you are pinching your elbows in at your side at all times. I got a little bit sloppy at the end, so make sure that you're keeping your elbows in, not like I did at the very end. Shame on me. I'm so sorry if you hate me because this entire workout is supersets, but that's the way I roll. So this is a face pull variation, and then it's supersetted with a behind the head pull. And with these, I just try to really pinch the center of my back together, and that's where I feel the most activation when I do these. Rather be anything but yours. You wasted my time on your side. It's alright, I'm mistaken. You wasted my time on your
I can't believe I just witnessed that.
My hair is
Oh my god. That was the most badass thing I've ever seen.
Guys, that is it for today's workout. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video by me. And if you have any ideas for future workouts or future videos that you would like to see, go ahead and comment those below. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.